Here's a problem involving the sum or difference formula, specifically the difference formula for sine, with combining it with inverses. So we have sine of arc cosine of negative a third, a negative arc tangent of negative a half. So first we need to draw our triangles, and we need to remember that the inverses of trig functions are very specific. So that means that they can only be in particular quadrants. So arc cosine is restricted to quadrants 1 and 2. And because it's negative, then it therefore has to be in quadrant 2. So this is our x over r, so we can label it negative 1, r is 3. And then we do the same thing for tangent. Inverse of tangent is restricted to 2 quadrants as well, and it's the same as sine. Arctangent is restricted to quadrants 1 and 4. So therefore, if it's positive, it would be in quadrant 1. If it's negative, like this example is, it would be in quadrant 2. So here is a triangle, and this is y over x. So the y is negative 1, and the x is 2. So because we're doing the difference formula for sine, we will need to find our missing values of the triangle. So this first triangle, it's 3 squared equals negative 1 squared plus y squared. So 9 minus 1 equals y squared, and we square root. So y equals the square root of 8 or 2 square root of 2. For our other triangle, we have r squared equals negative 1 squared plus 2 squared. So r is the square root of 1 plus 4, or r is the square root of 5. Now let's expand the difference of sine using the formula. So we have sine of arc cosine of negative 1/3 times cosine of arctangent of negative a half. And sine has the same sign, so it's subtracted by cosine of the arc cosine of negative a third times sine of arc tangent of negative 1/2. So all this is asking us is that we're trying to find the sine of the arc cosine triangle, which is the first triangle here. And then for the second one, we find the cosine of the other triangle here, and then we repeat. So sine of the first triangle is y over r, so it's 2 root 2 over 3. And then cosine of the second triangle is 2 over root 5. Then minus cosine arc cosine of negative a third. Really, it's just going to be negative a third because those are inverses. It does work with your triangle as well. So if you looked at the cosine here, you would get negative 1 over 3. Then we have the sine of the arctangent of the second triangle, arctangent of negative a half. So that's y, which is negative 1/2, over the r, which is square root of 5. And now it's just simplifying, so I'm going to multiply across. I have 2 times root 2 times 2 is 4 root 2 minus, we have negative 1 times a negative 1 is a positive 1 over 3 square root of 5. Now we need to rationalize the denominator, so I'm going to multiply by the square root of 5 to the top and bottom, and that distributes. So then we have the 4 square root of 10 minus root 5 over 3 times 5, which is 4 root 10 minus square root of 5 over 15. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.